Welcome back to the Poke Factory. Today, we're doing some truck pulls.
Because we're in a truck.
We were out and about, and we decided, you know what? There's like 5 million Walmarts here. Look, he's already cracking them open. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hold on. What are you doing? He's already cracking them open. All right, so look. Let me give a backstory before we start cracking them open.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
We were like, you know what? Let's go get some Pokemon cards. And then we were like, you know what? There's like 1 million Walmarts right here and Target. Let's just go ahead and see what they got. And they ended up having, so we went to Target.
They had some Vivid.
A Vivid.
Astral Vivid. We got this.
This thing, whatever this thing is.
But we're opening that last.
We've never seen this. Never seen this one before. But we're going to crack that bad boy open.
We're opening that last since we got that last.
Right. But we're in Walmart's parking lot. In the truck.
And that's not my best friend.
But now, I'm going to flip this camera around and Braden's going to get cracked.
Oh, wait.
All right. Let's get cracking. Let's see if we can't get some card pulls going. We got a nice little selection. We got what? Vivid, Astral.
Yeah.
Chilling Rain.
And right off the bat.
That's a no good. That's a no.
But you can still pull Amazing Ray out of it.
That's a no bueno. Yeah, you can still get an Amazing Ray.
So it doesn't. So I'm still gonna do the cold shit.
Do 3 from the back.
Why?
Because that'll be the Amazing Ray. Will be the last one. Nuzleaf, Pinkirkin, Eevee, Woobat, Arcuda, C-Dot, Vampy. Hey, and I was wrong. It would have been 4 from the back. We got Amazing Rare. Got the Raikou. Okay.
Okay, what do we do?
All right. That's
I
cool.
need my bag back. We need our bag back here.
This ain't like what we're at the Poke Factory, huh? It ain't the same, is it?
What are you doing? Oh, you don't. Oh.
Just getting that situated.
Put that in here?
No, we ain't gonna just set them all right here in the seat next to you. We'll get them all after the video. All right, so now we're on to the next one.
I'm putting that right there because I'm gonna go in order. That's good boy.
On to the next one.
Astral.
You're not gonna do the Vivid?
No, I put it in order so it's Vivid, Astral,
okay.
Vivid, Astral.
I got you.
Even though if we can still pull them a chip, we have a chance.
All right, show that code card.
That's good.
2, 3, 4. All right. Steel. Bisharp. Joy. Quilava. What are you doing here?
I'm doing this.
Just put them in the floorboard. There you go.
He-Man V.
Yeah, there we go. The Heatran V. Take it.
We'll take a
Let's go to the next one. This car pulls. I mean, what? We got an Amazing Rare.
And the Heatran. But we still have a chance. Look at this Heatran, guys.
The Heatran is pretty good. I do like that. Oh, he's slapping that open. That's a good looking V card. All right. Throw that guy down. Now, what we get into next?
Vivid.
Vivid Voltage.
Still have a chance.
Go card.
Is the Chunky Boy Amazing Rare?
No. Fire Energy.
Is that set up for non-hollow Charizard?
Here, just put them in the floorboard. Just.
We got a big mess we have to pick up.
Executor.
We have a huge mess we have to pick
It's okay. We always have a huge mess we gotta pick up. See? Walmart. Walmart's parking lot. Mickey D's.
We went to 2 Walmarts.
Now we're doing this at, we went to 3 Walmarts. Oh. Drop the Astro. Alright, crank open the Astro. Alright, come on.
Samurai or
Merchant Machamp. Let's get the
But that doesn't mean you're not gonna get something. You still get.
No, I know. You still gotta turn and go.
I don't wanna go straight through it. No train.
You get the Typhlosion.
No train galley.
There we go. No
But now we got 2 trillion rain. You might be thinking, why do you get trillion rain? It's not a good set, but it kind of is a good set. Can you agree with me, Dad?
Yeah, I actually like chilling there.
No, I didn't get it open. Oh! Articuno.
Articuno artwork. See if we can get it.
All we need is the Articuno.
Starting to get a little warm in this truck. Chilling pains. Alright.
Don't say chilling pains.
You're gonna still go through it?
No, we're gonna play Guess the Energy.
Oh.
Fire.
Fire? I'm going psychic. Oh, we were wrong. Let's see what we got.
That's a really cool hunter.
That is a cool hunter for a common.
Did good. 2 fightings.
Alright.
Stick to the end to see us open this.
Yeah, we're gonna open this bad boy. It's got darkness and old battle styles. We've never seen that one before though.
Might be new. Comes with a lot of promos that we're gonna show you guys.
This came with quite a bit of ones.
We found one that had a Charizard coin in it. Don't you remember that one?
Yeah, but it had Fusion Strike and Chilling Rain. And we was like, you know what? We haven't opened darkness in a very long time.
Last time we opened darkness when we played that, when we...
Not gonna lie to you though, price tag, I want $12 for that bad boy.
Green and white.
Oh, hey, that's a start. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess Energy Electric. Farfetch. A really boom hollow. I mean, it's a cool looking hollow.
I knocked all these cards over.
It's okay, buddy.
I'll pick them up.
We'll get them all. We will get them all. You just want to just put everything. Look, he did. Okay, all of them over.
Now it's time.
That's what it usually looks like at our house.
What?
All dressed with Pokemon cards.
Now it's time for us to open this. We haven't opened the blisters in a pretty long time.
I am pretty interested about this.
What?
Pretty interested about this. Oh. There you go. So, show them what you got.
We got these 2 packs. We got this Appleton Hollow. This is a really cool hollow.
It's a cool hollow. And drop it on the ground. The Snorlax, though. Now that is a cool hollow. That's actually in some. What set is that in, Braden?
I think one of them are in Battle Styles and one of them in Darkness. Did you guys a code card?
And now, code card, and then you actually
talking at us.
You actually have a Black Star promo Morpeko. Oh, code card incoming.
And let's get actually the coin. Look at this. This is a pretty sick coin. This Raichu. I mean the Rohan Raichu coin.
That is pretty cool.
Now it's time to move into these 2 packs. I like this, boys.
Doing battle styles. Battle styles. Hit that code card up. Oh, flip it around. Okay.
I see something.
Oh, sweet. Is it fighting type? Ooh,
An apple, a flapple.
I ain't gonna lie, I seen that one. I was like, ooh, is that a Tyranitar? That'd been nuts. Okay, so Flapple.
I think we should, when we give up for
Flying. It's an apple dragon.
when we give up on trying to pull the...
Give up? When we pull the Machamp.
What if we never pull it?
Then we'll go back to Astral Radiance, so we'll just keep, or moon, evolving skies.
Then we'll do.
We'll just keep flipping
What
back
are you
and
doing?
forth until we pull them. We'll pull them eventually. We open too many. The odds are. Yeah. Calling this Sunday car pulls. Whoop, whoop. And a snow cone. Yeah. Well, now look at just trash everywhere.
Where's the Appleton?
Trash everywhere. Flip this camera around. That does it for Sunday car pulls. Let us know if this. Let us know if y'all like this and it's something y'all would like to continue to see us do on Sundays. Just drive around, try to see what loose packs, blister packs we can grab up. And yeah, without further ado, oh whoa, hit that sub button if you're new here.
I'm burning up.
Get in our giveaways
I'm
and
burning
support
up.
the channel. It is. It's really hot in here, so we're gonna go ahead and hit them with the
Poke Factory out.